Alright. I'm hot. I'm out of breath. I don't know if I'm focused. I don't care. But look at our setup. We got a wagon. We got our tent. And I bought this wagon specifically for the beach so I didn't have to move the stroller around because that was a pain last time. I thought the big wheels were going to help. Definitely not. Still tight. And look, my family left me. They don't care about me. I should have spent the $40 extra for the sand tires on the wagon. I thought the big wide tires were going to be enough, but nah. Let's keep going. Alright, so we made it. I had help from a guy. He ran back and helped me. He grabbed the canopy for me. Here's the canopy. Ooh. 10 by 10. It's pretty large. It was heavier than I thought. And then he helped me actually put a canopy up, which was great. That saved me some time and energy and effort. Over here.
Are you ready to get in the water?
The water's right there. We like this spot because it's like in a little cove area. It's really small, but it's usually very calm. You can go out pretty far. They have actually a line now to prevent you from going out even further. So now we are making sandcastles. This is my plot of land here. Shirell is relaxing there. Kaysen is helping me here. What are you doing?
No.
Huh?
No.
Oh, London's making her land over there. She's too busy making a pool before she builds her castle. But I'm gonna build a road that attaches my castle to her castle. All right, so we got Kaysen's castle. He's been working that wall for a while now, waiting for perfection. He got himself a little doorway. We got London's castle that she's working over here. It has a pool. How you doing?
Good. I'm just trying to finish the castle.
You made people. Where's your people?
On my finger is the people.
Oh. Kaysen has done more in the water than he's done so far. He's here. He let me dunk him a few times, but he's like, all right, that's enough. Let me go to mommy. London looks like she might have just swallowed some water. Got some salt water in your mouth, and you got splashed again. You all right?
The waves are doing it.
I know. The tide's coming in probably. I don't know. Maybe a boat flew by. Yeah, you might want to come a little closer. Waves look like they're getting a little stronger. You might get.
Kids, this is how I move forward, and this is how I go that way.
Alright, so Casey's starting to warm up to the water idea. He won't touch the ground, but he at least kicking his feet and floating. And he's let go. He's saying we. So I think our time at the beach is coming to an end for today. We gotta go get something to eat. We've been here for about 3 hours, surprisingly. It went by pretty quick. Well, and the waves are coming in. Waves are coming in. So, but yeah, we're gonna go get something to eat now and then go bowling at, I think it's like Danny's or Dave's Bowling. I don't know, but it's an underwater themed bowling alley, so I got Groupons. Alright, so we just had dinner at the Surf Hut, which is really good. If you come here, try their Big Kahuna skewers, pretty great. But they have an outside patio area the kids could play. At night, it gets a little crazy out here because they have a bar and all that stuff. But right now, it's not too bad. You ready to go bowling?
Yeah, Grandpa's tired.
All right, so we're at Uncle Buck's Bowling Alley in Destin. It's pretty cool. It's we got a Groupon for it, which is great. Groupon for 4 for like $30, something like that. Comes with a $10 food credit, as well as a pitcher of either beer or soda, whichever one we want. Obviously, we got lemonade. But so far, let's see how it goes. That's fine. He don't need no help. He's a pro. Game 1 down, I waxed them all. Shirell was a far second. Casey and London was pretty much tied for third. Case of Cape. Oh, you got it. You picked up the strike. Okay. This guy drinking, man's drinking nothing but juice. Juice. I'm about to have to cut him off like he had the ball. So this man will not bowl until he gets to get his drink, which is up there. We're gonna have to cut him off. Real. You're wasting our bowling time. London, you drive crazy. Stay on the road. Oh, you spinning. You have fun?
Yeah.
What do you do? Alright, so our time is coming to an end here at Uncle Buck's. It's pretty much a Bass Pro Shop. Well, they own it. Pizza, bah. But drinks were pretty good. We went to the arcade, and now we're about to pick our prizes and go home. If you guys plan on coming, definitely look on Groupon, because I think it was $40 for 4 people, plus a $10 food credit and a picture of either soda or beer, whichever one your heart fancies. So hopefully you can hear me. Alright, so right now we're in, I think this is called Destin Commons. It's really nice. They have the streets lined up with lights all around it. There's a Paula Deen restaurant, Foot Locker, I guess is the mall.
3 toys, a fan. So I first got the fan, and then I got this little pink ball thing, and then I got trumpet tape.
Yep, Case got a ball. Yeah, it's actually really nice here. We're probably going to explore this sometime tomorrow. Tomorrow's Sherell's birthday, so it's going to be a shopping day. We're going to hit that premium outlets they have. We're going to come here, see what they got going on, eat at the Paula Deen restaurant, and just go about our day. So we actually had some time on our meter, so we decided we're going to walk around the Commons and see what's happening, because it's really pretty.
Don't say really pretty.
Okay, it's really nice looking, and it's bright. None of the times match. Everything says they close at 8, but obviously people are going and moving and grooving. I think we're going to the beginning. We're gonna go that way. It's an outlet day. Casey's got himself a new pair of Crocs, and he's so happy and excited. He's been jumping up and down, screaming, saying yay, because they light up. He can't wait to put them on. Taking a little break. Got him some pretzels. I got a lemonade. I'm gonna go to the Disney store, so we're to.
Now when I reviewed for Daddy, that was so fun.
Casey, what are you doing, man? Yes, woman.
No.
It depends on what you want.
Is that silver or gold?
That looks like gold, like a rose gold. I don't know how this video is going to sound, look, because I'm using my phone camera. I'm trying not to look at myself. I'm just looking at the camera itself, but it might be a little blurry. Let me look. Nah, it looks fine. You probably can hear me. So we're at the Paula Deen restaurant. We got the lunch special, which is you can get 2 meats and like 4 sides, or 3 meats and 4 sides. So we're going to get the 3 meats so we can try the pot roasted catfish and the fried chicken. And we got 4 sides. And we was about to order double of potatoes and stuff like that, but they're pretty much saying that when you order a side, it's like endless of that side. So I don't know how this is gonna work. I guess it's maybe, I don't know. But let's see how it goes. Hopefully it's good. They don't have French fries, which is a little but we'll do what it does.